Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to make your Twitter account. So when you open your Twitter app, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you will go here on the first page saying join Twitter to tweet. So you can actually continue with Google using your Google account or just create account. So from here, just select your language and then tap on next. And from here, you need to create your account, your name, your email, and your date of birth. Now, once you've done right here, tap on next, the next button, and then you will go here on the next page, here on customize your experience. So from here, you just tap this next button, that's the bottom right, and create your account. So once you've done right here and read the terms of service, tap this sign up button. And then to confirm your new account right here, as you can see, authenticate your account. Now, once you've done authenticating yourself or your account, you will now on this next page here. So you can see you need to enter your code. So let's go to your Gmail. And as you can see the code right here. So we just want to put this one on that Twitter. So go back to Twitter and enter that code. And once you've done right here, tap on this next button and need to put your new password. And once you've done, tap on next. And then you can just skip this for now. And from here, what should we call you? So you can edit your username, then tap on next. And you can also skip that and see who's on Twitter. So tap on continue button and allow this to access your photos or your contacts. And what do you want to see on Twitter? So you just choose right here. And then once you've done, tap on next. And right here, what do you want to see on Twitter? So you need to complete all the details here. So you can follow one or more accounts right here. For example, I want to follow these 3 accounts. Then tap on next. And finally, I have now created my account on Twitter. So that's how you basically create an account on Twitter. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.